Hey, Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja, and today I want to talk to you about why you should finance your home remodeling project. Stay tuned. If you're new to Crawl Space Ninja, we talk about how to improve your air quality by fixing your attic, basement, crawl space, and ductwork. So to make sure you get our latest content, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. Also, make sure you stay to the end so that you can get an additional entry into our April giveaway. Let's get started. Okay, so the first reason why you should finance your home remodeling project is that financing eliminates procrastination. How many of us out there like to procrastinate? We don't like to do things, we like to push it off, and that sort of thing. So if you go ahead and get your financing in order so that you can take care of that big home remodeling project, it eliminates procrastination. The second thing that financing your home improvement project does is it prevents the problem from getting worse. How many of you have a problem that you learned about it, you procrastinated, and then come to find out the problem got worse? Well, if you would have financed the project to get it taken care of in the beginning, that problem would be done, fixed, and over. Third reason why you should go ahead and finance that home improvement project is because you're going to be able to get the project done at today's pricing. You know, most contractors go up in price. Labor goes up, materials go up, all those sort of things. So even if you waited 6 months to a year to get the project done, chances are it's going to be more expensive. How many home improvement contractors have you had come to your house and they say, this quote is good for 30 days? That means they're anticipating after 30 days, the project could increase. Okay, so the fourth reason is having that money set aside gives you the opportunity to afford a great contractor versus hiring that Joe Pick-em-up contractor based strictly on budget. This is going to make your life so much better if you've got that extra money through financing to hire a great contractor. Fifth reason why you should consider financing that home improvement project is, what if you have multiple projects that you want to get taken care of? You know, as I mentioned before, we take care of attics, basements, crawl spaces, and ductwork. A lot of times the ductwork goes through the crawl space, the attic is an issue, and different things like that. So if you could get approval for a larger sum of money, you could just knock all of those projects out at once instead of having to procrastinate getting it all done. Number 6, this is a good one because if your home improvement project could save you money. Let's say you're getting your attic done, you're getting your basement done because it's flooding or whatever. If this home improvement project could save you money, then going ahead and financing the project could pay or help pay for itself in the long run. So number 7 is enjoying the benefits of the remodel now. I can't tell you how many people we get where they, for example, go to sell their home and something gets dinged in the crawl space or in the basement, and then they've got to pay all this money, right, to get it done. Well, if they would have got it done 5 years ago when they bought the house, first of all, it would have been less expensive 5 years ago. But secondly, they would have had a 5-year encapsulated crawl space that they could have enjoyed the air quality, the good air quality from, and all that, and it not be an issue at closing. So enjoying the benefits now is a great reason to go ahead and get that project done. Let's do a little bit of math here. This is number 8. Let's say you had a $25,000 project and you had $25,000 in cash versus financing the project for $25,000. Let's say the money that you're financing cost you 9.9% versus you taking that $25,000 at 8% earnings in the stock market or in a mutual fund and investing that $25,000. So your payment on the 9.9% is around $329 over 10 years versus the investment of $25,000 earning 8% over 10 years. Did you know that the payment is about $14,000 less in earnings versus investing the money in a mutual fund earning 8%? Let me explain. So at the end of 10 years, when you finance $25,000 at 9.9%, you're going to wind up shelling out almost $40,000 total over 10 years. That doesn't include paying it off early or anything. That's $329 a month for 10 years. Now, if you were to take that same $25,000 and put it in the stock market, never add any more money to it, all right, assuming you're going to earn 8% interest, you're going to actually, at the end of 10 years, have $54,000 in that mutual fund after 10 years. Doesn't that make sense to take that $25,000 in cash that you were going to spend on that project and invest it in a mutual fund versus keeping it and paying for that project? Okay, so now I want to ask you this question. My son and I recently watched Alice in Wonderland, and in order to get into the April drawing, tell me, which did you like better? The animated version of Alice in Wonderland or the Johnny Depp version of Alice in Wonderland? My name is Michael Church with Crawl Space Ninja, and I hope you make it a happy and blessed day, and we'll see you later.